People, welcome back to the channel. This is Bird Beak, and today I'm gonna be giving you a review of Vybz Kartel latest single, Join the Team. Let's get into it.
Hey, girl, you want good in your hole. Hey, girl, you want me knock you out cold. Hey, girl, you want wine on the pool. Hey, girl, you better. Me, I got hit you with no delay. So what you saying, yo? Say you have a man, but me icky your titty, yo.
Right off the bat, I need to say excellent choice of rhythm. The rhythm really have a vibe to it, and then so far the lyrics have been pretty good, you know. But we need to see how the rest of the song hold up. So make we continue play the song.
Don't call me as my referee when I'm kicking, yo. Cause I am not a cop, I am the Gaza CEO. And my only job is to make sure my dick in, yo. 9 months time your belly swell a kid in, yo.
The man said the Gaza CEO only job is to make sure him dick in, yo. 9 months later belly sweat a kid in, yo. What the hell? Yo, the man a chop them lyrics, man. Yo, make we continue on with the review, yeah.
I'm not really a one burner, so you stress a big in, yo. Be a girl a call and a threaten fi kill, yo. True your love, give rich man your pussy fit them dig it, yo. You shoulda get a little simple youth fi call your own. But you get the teeth, so such trouble it not come without. Carry you go shopping, no money, no affy count.
The man say, I'm not really a one burner, no you stress a big in now. But wonder if I see them in my talk, like that kind of sound too personal and specific. But make we carry on.
But you have to understand, say a bag a gal want your man. So a gal we all come in your mouth. Boom, knock you out, knock you right out. Come crying at the Benz, later we a go out. If you really wanna fuck with me, remember me body a prosperity. But it a go come with fuckery. I know every gal can manage me. So if you really wanna join the team, longest line you will ever see. Black gal, white gal, Chinese, Trini gal, beige and Guyanese.
I not hear that right. At the start of that, he must say, yo, you have to understand, say, a bag of girl want your man, them we even thump in your mouth. So he must make them know, say, yo, girl, we thump her in our mouth. For him, hold on them. Let me listen that again. So, after a second listen, I can confirm that's exactly what he said.
Hey, scatter. In God we trust, so it's a must we put the money in front pussy first. So baby, if you suck me, would you stop from take the bus? Any more bus you take a must bust a bus. When me call and say daddy make enough girl for your fuck, me know you want me girl, but when you see him cock it up, run the pussy pan the G, learn the syllabus. If bust a late, run it pan bounty kill a fuss.
You know, the man I say, oh, him know I'm a girl, but him want he run the blood clot pussy pan bounty kill a fuss. blood clot this. Yo, I come like me now read the lyrics right or something. Try, well, people, no correct me down in the comment section below. I come like me now read them lyrics, alright?
Me carry you go look if you shopping we never trust. Spend the money on your TJ, say it's a must. No ask me about no girl when you say we a pose up. Me no have woman friend, obviously we a fuck. You no like that walking a chop. Otherwise pay that no mind, remember you did broke. Now you rich cause you have me big Buddha suck. So count your blessing, count your luck.
Yeah, I know so when I go say it's a conspiracy and I don't know what I'm talking about. But something about this tell me say that song is directed to SIDEM. You know what I go do? Just for clickbait the thing, I go to title it's a Vybz Kartel DISS SIDEM. Just to see the clickbait and see if you click up the video.
If you really wanna fuck with me, remember me body a prosperity. But it a go come with fuckery. I know every gal can manage me. So if you really wanna join the team, longest line you will ever see. Black gal, white gal, Chinese, Trini gal, beige and Guyanese.
Well folks, there you have it. Vybz Kartel's Join the Team. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe. It literally costs you nothing and it helps us out a bunch. What's just a small tap on the screen to you is a huge impact to me. Your support is what keeps me going. Your likes and your comments and your subscribes is what keeps me going and keeps me making these videos on a daily basis. With that being said, please like, subscribe, comment and share. Bird Nation, stay sharp.